at 4 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, we will call all the opposition MLAs to participate and discuss how to go about the session on the 6th and 7th of Feb. Starts with the governor's address, and on the 7th will be one-day assembly session. History में one-day assembly session है ना गोयन ज़्यादा. So we spoke on all the parameters of what should be discussed, questions. Also, we congratulated our leader Priyanka Gandhi ji on winning the Wayanad seat. We also spoke about paying tributes to Dr. Manmohan Singh. He was the tallest leader in the Congress party. So these were the agenda of the CLP, and the ongoing issues that the state is functioning. How do we take it up through various mediums of one day? Which was what was discussed. And also we took cognizance of the inauguration of the new office, and we congratulated our Madam Sonia Gandhi ji, Kharge ji for inaugurating the new office. And also about Zilla election preparations of how to go about it, what should be the strategy, is what we had discussed in the CL. Let me tell you very, very straight. These issues, how they need to be tackled, what needs to be done. As Congress party, we have been always vocal. We have been the principal opposition party. We will see in the assembly as well. That is the right forum as well to raise issues and point out to the government. Now, एक issue जो, for example, opinion poll this or celebrate जावपाक जाय म्हणून आम्ही हे private members resolution घातले आणि private members resolution I personally put it, and the honorable chief minister failed to his commitment made in the house, on the floor of the house, that he Asmita this as a celebration घातले म्हणून. It is shocking to see that there was no celebration despite the promise given on the floor of the house. So what is the allergy and what is happening? This is something that jointly you will see during the assembly session, and we will take it. And definitely all the issues, how to run up, what has to happen, the party president we have decided what should be the strategy.
तुम्ही युनाइटेडली असेंब्ली में फाइट करते म्हणून पण आज आम्ही खंय तरी पळयता की आप आसा तशें गोवा फॉरवर्ड आसा.
So किती हमारे आम्ही आज तिगजा आमदार आहे काँग्रेसीचे. As Congress party I can speak. Knowing Wenzi Viegas personally, he's been very vociferous against the BJP government. In the past, I was not there when he made that comment, but my personal belief is I would stay away from commenting on tall leaders. Now, Bhausaheb Bandodkar, now Jack Sikher, they are tall leaders of the state. And in their absence to comment, I think my principles doesn't suit me. It is not my principle when they cannot defend themselves. And I'm confident that it is my role as leader of opposition to unite all of them. It is you either stay in the opposition or you stay in the ruling. Now, when we are in the opposition, every opposition leader it is a role of to make sure that opposition members are together. On the 24th, we will discuss on how to go about it.
So, जर ते तुमच्या वांगडा आल्या ते गव्हर्नमेंट वांगडा अशें म्हणटा.
ना कितें हा ऑपोजिशन और रुलींग. ऑपोजिशन तरी वांगडा रावले जाल्यार मागीर ऑपोजिशन को जात न्हू तें. आतां ऑपोजिशन मग 7 जाम आहाय. गेले ते सेशनार रावले न्हू आमी 7 जाम आहले न्हू. So, to whatever our differences, I think the people of Goa are looking at it, and we should set example. It is you either be with the opposition or ruling, and we need to forget whatever differences we have. We might have political differences with each other. Constituency कोण एकमेकांक हेजे बसो सोदतले, but then houseा कितें हा लोकांगे problem दिना म्हणटाय. My responsibility is to make sure that we go as a united opposition, which I will do.